Well, this is our 5th year doing the Spring Housing Briefing, and the Spring Housing Briefing is really, it's a dissemination of data at the core of the event, but more importantly, it's about the analysis of that data. This is really an opportunity, one, for us to provide a lot of value to the realtors that we work with. We bring them together here at this event each year as a way to share that information with them.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to our 5th annual Spring Housing Briefing. We're proud to put on this event each year and bring great speakers and deep data to the local real estate community.
You know, Apex has these regular meetings and get-togethers where we get the big picture of what's going on in the mortgage market, and that's tremendously important to brokers and agents.
I come here to find out what the gurus of statistics know so that I can translate it into a real estate plan.
But more so what's going on with the real estate world right now, you know, where we've been, where we're at, where we're heading, and it's very valuable information for myself and my agents to get.
We're going to look at a number of things today. We're going to look at how the demographics are changing in Greater Washington. Specifically, who's moving here? What are they doing when they move here? Are they buying? Are they renting? Where are they renting?
Changing demographics are key to how our housing market is recovering. Our population in the metropolitan area became majority-minority in 2010. Baby boom generation, the leading edge is 67, reaching retirement age by 2029. When we look at the folks who moved to the region over the last few years, they're more likely to be young, they're more likely to be a minority, and they're more likely to live alone or with roommates.
I think the focus on education that Apex has and really educating the agents and the brokers, you know, we all try and keep up with it, but we're not mortgage people. And so we need to find this information out from the people who are doing this every day, and we really appreciate it.
I wanted to find out what the general consensus was on what makes a seller's market or a buyer's market. And you guys might have heard that if it's less than 6 months of inventory, it's a seller's market, and if it's more than 6 months, it's not in our region. That's not the right number for our region.
Between our Realtor 101 programs, our seminars, our home buyer seminars, the information and educational materials we provide to home buyers, we want to partner with local realtors and help them do a great job with their buyers and sellers.
I've known Apex for a very long time, and they're a company that I trust completely, my agents trust completely, and their communication between us and the agents is outstanding.
Apex is great on building relationships, and lenders and real estate agents are in a relationship business. So I have to know that the person that I'm sending my clients to is predictable, reliable, and has follow-through and knows what customer service is, and I'm just as much a customer of Apex as my client is, and they know that. They get that.
The Apex advantage is that we're local, we're experienced, and we're independent.
We look forward to seeing you again next year.
We feel that, and the Spring Housing Briefing demonstrates to the local real estate community that we want to be partners with them. We don't view this as a one-way street with them just referring people to us. We view this as a partnership.